Hello, my YouTube friends. Today we're out here today. We're going to plant cucumbers and we're going to put them on hoops just like we did our tomatoes. So come along with us. We'll show you how we do it and we'll get a little more deeper into it. When I get it done, I'll explain to you. It's the 23rd day of June. You'll say, why do you plant them in the middle of summer? I'll explain that to you when we get done. Let it go. Now, you pick this up. Now watch, don't step on the corn, but let's back up with it. Keep backing up. I'd say about right there. Let me get a post in here. I thought we'd do one big one and one little one. Over here, Owen. Right here. I'd say about right there, Owie.
Yeah, you pound those other ones?
When we get to them, pound them down. A little more. Good. Folks, this is the kind of post pounder I like to run. That one there weighs a ton. But this works perfect for these little posts. Get in the middle. We got to get in the middle. Ella. Here, you get in the middle. We're on that side from your mom. Get other side though. You got to pick it up. And I got to push. Just pick it up in the middle. And we walk this forward like this. That high enough? No? You can go higher than that yet if you want. All right. Now we'll put a big post and a little post in here.
They're a little shorter.
Here. Your turn, little buddy. Grab your little post. And you can come over here and drive her right there.
There.
Put her right there. Can you handle it? You got to turn it upside down. Wait a minute. Now do it. Oh. Turn the post this way a little bit. All right. Go ahead. Drive her in there. Oh, you know what you remind me of? A woodpecker. All right. Now we got to get a big post and another little post. Owen, you want to hold this wire for me? Now don't run off on me like you did last time. Got it? I'm wanting to bend this way, so let's go ahead and do it this way. All right. Lay it down. Ella can hold the middle up. Let her hold the middle up like she did before. It's all right.
Oh, and saw your smoke.
Got it.
I got it.
Good. That's good. Now we need one more. Come this way a little bit. You got it? Let's don't catch on that one if we can help it. You want to drive this one, Ella?
Yeah.
Okay, get over here so you don't hit your hands here. Go fast. Woody woodpecker. Get this wired, and I'm going to wire these together a little bit. Look at this one's a little taller. This is the way to do cucumbers, though. Thank you, Ella. Some pliers need to be replaced. They're getting bad. There we go. Okay. Well, folks, we got our hoops all up. As you can see, we put 3 cattle panels all in a row, tall enough you can walk under. We'll plant our cucumbers along each outside. Then you just walk through here picking them. And this is the 23rd day of June. We usually try to do it on the 21st, but the weather ain't been cooperating. We're a little late, but 23rd is fine. If any of you got sandy soil or even regular dirt, if you plant cucumbers in the middle of May, like in zone 5, by the middle or 3rd week of July, the cucumbers start burning up. So we always plant a few plants just to eat in the middle of May. Then the ones we can and want to eat till frost, we plant the 21st day of June. They'll bear all the way to heavy frost. And they won't burn up in the summertime. And then when you plant them like this, it gives them extra shade. They even do better yet. And you don't have to bend over and look for them. They'll all be hanging here. So thank you very much. We pray that God be with you and bless you every day. So have a very, very nice day, and thank you for coming along.